Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Blooket game. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in www.blooket.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your Blooket account. Click the login button at the top right hand corner and enter your username or your email followed by your password, and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the create button at the top left hand corner. Enter a title. You can also go ahead and describe about your question set. Select one of the creation method and under privacy setting, go ahead and decide whether you'd like to make your game public or private and click create. Go ahead and click on add questions and enter your question in the text box. Once you are done adding questions, you can now edit your questions. Go and customize your game by adding images, sounds, and more. After you are done making your edits, click save. Now, you can save your set by clicking on save set on the left hand side, and whenever you want to host the game, you can click on the host button, select a game mode, and click on the host button on the right hand side. Now, if you want to make any edits for your game, for example, if you'd like to set your time duration for the game, go ahead and do it right here from the times option. You also have an option to allow late joinings, use random names, or allow student accounts. According to your preference, simply go ahead and check the boxes or uncheck the boxes if you don't want to enable any of the settings, and finally click on the host now button. Your game ID will be located at the top of the screen. You can copy the link and share it to one of your students in order to ask them to join into the game. That is how you'll be able to make a Blooket game, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.